Hi, my name is Sammy. I'm with Streamy Chill and welcome to our channel. We are doing a brand new recipe today. If you are a lover of Harry Potter, you might be wondering, oh, that's what the glasses are for? That's right. We're making a very famous Butterbeer recipe that you might find over at the Universal Studios in Hollywood or in Universal Studios, Florida. So we're going to teach you how to make it and you can make it on your own. That way you have a little bit of going out into the theme parks right at home without all the screaming kids or lots of people or horrible expensive traffic. So let's get at it. Alright, bruv, and that's how you make a Butterbeer. I can't talk like this. It's a little bit complicated, it might seem like it, but with just a little bit of time and effort, you can make it really well. Even though we don't have theme parks going on at the moment, you can do this at home and feel a little bit of Harry Potter back at home. Have a good time, and once again, thank you. If you like what we did, please make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Tell us how we're doing on this channel. Alright, cheers.